Hey y'all, hope everyone's doing well. So today it's about silver contacts and how to remove the silver from what. Let's get one of these removed. I'll show you how I like to do it. And I'll flip it over and you can see that it's dimpled. And what they do is they put the contact through, dimple this side, spreading the material so now it becomes too wide to come back through the hole. That's how I like to hold it with this pair of side cutters. And then you can see how I'm holding it on the bottom side. And I'm going to take another pair of side cutters and I'm going to hold it like that. And what I'm going to be doing is giving it a twisting action. Now typically these come out really easily. Sometimes they can be a little bit of a bear. Now with how I'm trying to record this video, we'll just see how it goes. But anyways, you hold it like that, and then you give this whole thing a twist. Just move my camera a little bit. I don't have the range because of my camera, but you're twisting it, and you can see, get that back in focus, you can see it is now separating from this piece of copper. So now I'm grabbing a hold of the contact with my smaller side cutters, and there it is. And there is the contact. Okay, so we've got another contact, but this side, you can see it's not coming through. So this one is held on with a little bit of solder, but the method will also work on this. You can see I'm holding it like that. Give it a twist. You can see it's separating, and then I just grab a hold of it with the side cutters, and there it is. Let's do a small one now. There are our contacts, and there is what remains. We got some copper, a little bit of brass. It was really difficult to try to do this and to keep it all steady and record it without it getting blurry. So a couple of them, I noticed that I'm going to have to edit out. I hope you got a good idea of how to do it. Most of the contacts that I get, they come from these relays. Both these are going to have a contact on there. These relays, find them on all sorts of circuit boards. I just took apart a microwave and I pulled 3 off the circuit board. They also have this nice coil of copper inside of there. And these kind of switches, you'll find these in microwaves as well and many other places. They have silver contacts inside. And there is what looks like inside. And you can see right there is a contact. Go ahead and take this one off. Give it a twist. And then there is the contact. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope that you will be able to remove your contacts now easily. I thank you all so much for watching. God, thank you for all these wonderful people. I just pray you will bless them in the name of Jesus. All right, y'all. I just thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of your support, all of your wonderful comments, leaving likes, sharing out the videos, just everything. Thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next video.